Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, I will be writing a Python program to generate the Fibonacci series for a given number, and I will be using the concept of if ladder, that is if statement. Along with that, I will be using the for loop in consideration with range function. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this link video with your friends and family members, share the video link in various social networks which you are going to use, gain the knowledge and rule the world. Happy learning. You have to print that third number. That means you have to write print within a bracket third. Press enter. Now for the next iteration, what you have to do, you have to change the values of first and second. That means you need to write first equal to second, enter, second equal to third. Now these will be the previous values. For that purpose, first equal to second and second is equal to third. Press enter, press the backspace. Now you are outside the for loop, and again press the backspace. Now you are outside the else loop. Right. Before this, even if you want, after reading the value of n, here we can write the statement as print, open the bracket within a double quotes, Fibonacci series for double quotes close, comma n, comma within a double quotes is double quotes close, bracket close. It will display Fibonacci series for whatever the value n you have given, that it will display. Then it will display is. Okay, I will save the program by using the shortcut key Ctrl S, and I will save the program as Fibo for, that means Fibonacci series, by using a for loop. Then click on save button. Now to run the program, we use the shortcut key F5. Enter the value of n. So I will give the value as 1. That means what? It has to display 0. So Fibonacci series for 1 is, it is displaying as 0. You can observe this is the Fibonacci series. Okay, come to the script mode, again press F5. Now I will give the value as 2. That means what? It has to display only these two, 0, 1. Okay, so press enter. You can see it is displaying Fibonacci series for 2 is 0, 1. Next, again come to the script mode, press F5. Now I will press the value as 5. That means it has to display first 5 numbers in the Fibonacci series. That means what? It has to display from 0, 1, 1, 2, 3. So these are the 5 numbers. Press enter. You can see it is displaying 0, 1, 1, 2, 3. Again come to the script mode, press F5. Now I'll give the value as 10. That means what? It will display first 10 digits. What are those of the series? 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21. Up to what? Up to this much. How many numbers in a series? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That means up to 34 it will display. You can observe that one. It is displaying from here 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34. Right. So in this way we get the output. Now I will explain you this particular program by considering the value of n as 5, this one. So I will explain you how we get this one. Okay. So first, B, the statement which will be executed is this one. This is the first statement. Okay, because these two are the comments. So it will display this one, enter the value of n, and I will give the value as 5. That means n value will be 5. The next, print Fibonacci series for n is, that means it will display Fibonacci series for, in place of n it will display 5 is. Okay, then it will come here if n equal to 1, no, because the n value is what? 5. Okay, so condition becomes false, it will come here. L if n equal to 2, condition becomes false, it will come to else. Now here these two statements are executed. So first these four statements, so I'll write them and I'll explain you. First equal to 0, then second equal to 1, that means it is the initialization. After that I have written print first, that means it will display the value 0. Then I have written print second, because second value is 1, that means it will print 1. Okay, after this I have written these statements. I will consider them by copying. Here I will explain you how we get the value. So first, for I in range of 3, n plus 1, 1. So I'll just show you what this range function will be giving the values. So range n plus 1, 1, close the bracket. So this will be generating what? This is nothing but range of 3, n plus 1. What is the value of n? 5. That means 6, 1. Close the bracket. So this will be generating which numbers? The first number will be 3. The next number will be incremented by 1, because the step you have given as 1. That means it will be generating 4. So whether it is the end value? No. Next value, again step incremented by 1, it will be 5. Next it will be 6. So 6 is the end value, that means that is not included. That means the I value will be 3, 4, 5. Okay, so these are the value, that is I value it will be taking as 3, 4 and 5. So for the first time the I value will be 3. That means third is equal to first plus second. What is the value of first? The first value is 0. And what is the value of second? The first value is third. What is the value of third? So third, just we have calculated that value is 1. That means now second will also be 1. Next it comes for the next iteration. That means now the value of I will be 4. So again this one, third is equal to first plus second. So these which are present inside the loop, so this will be executed, right? So I'll copy them and I'll paste here for the purpose of explanation. Third is equal to first plus second. So what is the value of first? Is 1. And what is the value of second? 1. That means 1 plus 1. So this will be equal to what? 2. Next print third, that means it will print the value 2. Next, that is what? Print third, it will value the print 2. Next first is equal to second. What is the value of second? The second value is what? 1. That means first will be 1. Next, second equal to third. What is the value of third? Just we have calculated, that is what? 2. That means now the second value will be equal to 2. Next, the I value which we have done for 3 and 4, now it is 5. Again it enters inside the body of the loop of the for. Then again third is equal to first into second. What is the value of first? 1 plus. What is the value of second? 2. So 1 plus 2 equal to 3. So print third, that means it will print the value as 3. Next, first equal to second. So what is the value of second? This one, 2. That means first value will be equal to now 3. Second equal to third. What is the value of third? 3. That means the second will be equal to 3. Okay. Then next, so now it has executed for 5. What is the next value? No. That means it comes out of the for loop. That means the program has been ended. So for that purpose it is just displaying the value. This one 0 1, that is what? This one, print first second. Then this 1 2 3, so 3 times it has iterated. So first time, second time, third time. So first time it has displayed the value as 1. Then for the second time it has displayed the value as 2. Third time as 3. You can observe 1 2 3. So like that you execute for another value of n. You will come to know how this particular program will be executed. So this is not to be written in the program. So this have written just for the explanation. I will delete that one. Okay, I will save the program again. Control S. It will be saved with the same file. I'll close the interpreter. Again, I will run the program and I will give the value as 10. You can see the output. So it is displaying 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34. Right. So this is what an Fibonacci series for a given number by using for loop. In this one I am using if else, that is else statement. Right. So like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video link with your friends and family members, gain the knowledge and rule the world. Happy learning.